morning everybody, what's up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. It's officially October now, which is really nice because I just love the fresh start of a new month. And today is just a beautiful fall day, so I thought I would take you guys along with me. I really want to do some fall baking. I gotta make my yearly pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. Probably getting a workout at some point today. And then I also want to share this new book that I just recently started with you guys. I've been trying to read 2 books a month and I actually did it last month, so I'm really happy about that. So we're trying to keep it up and do it again. I just added some toppings to my overnight oats. I just did some bananas and chocolate chips. I've been making this chocolate peanut butter one almost every night to have in the morning, and it's literally so good. Okay, it's been a few hours. I just had to get some work done. It's like 12:30 right now, but I think I'm gonna finally sit down and read more of my book because it's seriously so good. I stayed up really late last night reading it because I just couldn't put it down. And I did get ready for the day. This whole outfit is Fashion Nova, one of my favorite places to shop, so feeling cute. And I also think I'm gonna call my mom after this just to say hi and catch up. I feel like it's easy to go a little while without talking to your parents when you don't live with them or they live in another state. We obviously still communicate over text, but I feel like calling is just a little more personal, so I wanna make the time to do that. I also made sure to fill up my water. I've been really good about drinking water lately since I switched to using my bigger water bottle again. I did get it in a different color though because I just thought the black looked a little more clean and sleek. Got this off of Amazon. This is the 24-ounce one, and I just like having a bigger size so I don't have to fill my water bottle up so often. But I'll have it linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. I really love this water bottle, so I highly recommend it. Okay, so this is the book that I just started for my first read of October. It is, of course, a thriller. I've been reading thrillers again for fall. I saw this one trending on Goodreads, so I thought I would check it out. It's called The Housemaid, and it's by Frida McFadden. I am so bad with the names. I've never read one of her books before, but I'm already so captivated by this one that I'll probably end up checking out some of her other books. I love the cover for this too. Just an eye peeking through a keyhole. I just thought it looked super cool and spooky. So here's what the book's about. Every day I clean the Winchesters' beautiful house top to bottom. I pick up their daughter from school and I cook a delicious meal for the whole family before heading up to eat alone in my tiny room on the top floor. I try to ignore how Nina makes a mess just to watch me clean it up, how she tells strange lies about her own daughter, and how her husband, Andrew, seems more broken every day. But as I look into Andrew's handsome brown eyes, so full of pain, it's hard not to imagine what it would be like to live Nina's life. The walk-in closet, the fancy car, the perfect husband. I tried on one of Nina's pristine white dresses once just to see what it's like, but she soon finds out, and by the time I realize my attic bedroom door only locks from the outside, it's far too late. But I reassure myself the Winchesters don't know who I really am. They don't know what I'm capable of. This is really interesting so far because this rich family is so crazy, and the mom's name is actually Nina, which I thought was really funny because that's the name of my new kitten. But yeah, please let me know if you're reading anything good right now. I would love to know. And if you have any thriller recommendations, I would also love to know those because I just love thrillers so much. Hey guys, it's been a few days since I last talked to you. Arie's family's been in town from Florida, so I've just been really busy hanging out with them. But now it is Sunday and they actually went home this morning, so now we are back to our regularly scheduled programming. I'm actually gonna head out and run a couple errands. I just need to go to the grocery store. Our fridge is looking pretty bare and I'm just ready to get back to eating healthy because I've definitely been eating out a lot more these last few days. And then I just need to go mail a few returns that I have. But once once I get back, I'm finally gonna make those pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. I was actually missing an ingredient, and then I didn't really have a chance to get to the store until today, so now we're finally gonna make them. But it's kind of perfect for a Sunday afternoon in my opinion. I've also been watching a lot of Halloween movies just to really get into the fall mood. I'm really trying to do a lot of fall activities this year just to make the most of the season. And me and Arie are gonna go to a corn maze next weekend. I wanted to go this weekend, but it just got a little too busy, so we just moved it to next weekend. But I want to get like some fall drinks before we go and just make it a really fun fall date, so I'm really excited for that. And yes, I did end up finishing my book. I literally couldn't put it down. It's super interesting. It's like one of those psychological thrillers, so yeah, it's just kind of creepy but really good. It has a really good plot twist in it, so I think you guys will really like it if you like thrillers. My bestie! She's so cute. Oh, you're so sweet, baby. I feel like I look so tired today because I didn't really sleep that well last night. I just kept tossing and turning, and then I ended up getting up really early after I went to bed, like after midnight, because Nina just like wakes us up super early and I just couldn't go back to sleep. So yeah, I definitely should take a nap today, but sometimes I'm really bad about it because I just don't like sleeping during the day. But if I am like truly exhausted, I will. Also, Nina has officially taken over my desk chair. I mean, she's not on it all day, but she does sleep on there at night, and she totally like scratched up the back of it, so we had to put some blankets on it to prevent her from doing that. And now she just sleeps on here all the time because it's so comfy with all the blankets and super colorful. And I was planning out some meals for the week just before I go grocery shopping because I feel like it really helps with my grocery list just to know exactly what I'm going to be using the ingredients for.
Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue.
I just tried these new tortilla chips from Trader Joe's, and they are insanely good. They're perfectly sweet and salty and just super flavorful, so I highly recommend. Hey! No, it's in there.
Think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. That's when I do. I guess the truth is I can't leave memories behind.
I'm having one of the muffins with my coffee this morning, and it's so good. I actually didn't really have one last night because my stomach was hurting. I just had like a bite of one. These are honestly so good. They're super moist, but they still have like some thickness to it that you want for a muffin. I do recommend that you actually let them sit for a bit and like fully cool before you eat them, just because I tried them like right out of the oven and I felt like they were a little too moist, so I didn't really know if I was gonna like them. But now that they were sitting overnight, they are insanely good, so highly recommend making them. I'll have the recipe linked in the description. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more content and leave me a comment down below. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.